So here we are at 883 North Washington Street here in the great town of Van Wert, Ohio at Van Wert Carts and More. 419-238-2732. What I've got here is a gorgeous looking 2019 brand new EZGO Valor. It has the bright yellow body on it. Has the very cool looking 14-inch black SS wheels coupled with the 225 30-14 Rocks RXLP tires, street tires on it. Headlights, tail lights. Comes with a 2-inch lift kit. 13.5 horse Kawasaki engine. Very cool. It does have the flip fold rear seat, where the rear seat does fold into a cargo area and then pops right back up into the 4-passenger seating capacity. We did put a yellow steering wheel on this bad boy as well. Again, it's a 2019 EZGO Valor, yellow in color. We're going to take her for a quick little spin here. And off we go. Woo. Man, this baby gets up and goes. So again, it's a 2019 EZGO Valor, brand new. We just put it on a 2019 blowout special. Hey, get in here to Van Wert Carts and More at 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. You can call 419-238-2732. Give us a call. Stop in here. We'd love to help you out. Take advantage of this gorgeous 2019 EZGO Valor. Thanks for watching. Look forward to meeting y'all.